Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to another useful presentation from Easy Walk to English Grammar. Today, let's start with a story. It's an interesting story in the sense that you can learn something new related to English grammar through that story. Welcome you all once again. Let's start. Oh, who is walking there? An old man is coming, and I think he's tired. What does he say? I'm old, so I cannot walk long distance. Yes, we were right. He's old and he says, so he cannot walk long distance. Did you notice the sentence, I am old, so I cannot walk long distance? There is a special word, so. What does so do here? So tells us a reason. So helps us to tell a reason for something that we did or for something that happened to us. That is the purpose of so here. Okay, let's continue with the story. Now we can see one more character on the screen. A girl. Who is she to this older man? Let's listen to what the old man says. As I cannot walk, my granddaughter came to pick me back. Oh, that's the reason. She's the older man's granddaughter. She comes to pick him back. Before moving forward with the story, we have to look into this sentence. As I cannot walk, my granddaughter came to pick me back. Here also we have a special word as, which tells us a reason. As I cannot walk, that's a reason. My granddaughter came to pick me back. And as here, like so in the previous sentence, helped us to tell a reason. Let's continue with the story. We decided to go back soon because we felt it might rain. Oh, the grandfather and the granddaughter left for their home as they felt it might rain. Here, what shall we look at? We decided to go back soon because we felt it might rain. And our special word here is because, and because also tells us a reason. We decided to go back soon because we felt it might rain. Okay, let's continue with the story. I drove to my grandfather at my house and I came back to tell you my story. I needed to do my post-graduation in the UK, hence I went to London. My dear friends, what shall we look into in this sentence? I needed to do my post-graduation in the UK, hence I went to London. Here we have the special word hence, which helps or tells us a reason. I needed to do my post-graduation in the UK. Hence, I went to London, telling us a reason. Okay, let's listen to what the girl has to tell us. I had a lot of friends there, therefore I really enjoyed my life in London. Oh, that's what she has to tell us. She had a lot of friends there. There means in London, and she enjoyed her life there. Okay, let's listen to what made her to return after a small break. What's a special word in this sentence? I had a lot of friends there, therefore I really enjoyed my life in London. Of course, it's the word therefore which tells us the reason in this sentence. I had a lot of friends there, therefore I really enjoyed my life in London. That's the word, or therefore is a word that tells us a reason in this sentence. Okay, now let's listen to what made the girl to return to India. Suddenly, the pandemic COVID-19 hit the world. Consequently, I returned to India. Oh, that made her to return to India. Everyone was affected by COVID-19, and that made her to return to India, back to her home. But we have something special to notice in this sentence. Suddenly, the pandemic COVID-19 hit the world. Consequently, I returned to India. Which is our special word in this sentence? Yes, of course, it's consequently that tells us the reason. Suddenly, the pandemic COVID-19 hit the world. Consequently, the meaning of the word consequently is as a result, I returned to India. And it's very clear that the word consequently tells us a reason for something that happened. Now we can go back to our story and listen to what the girl says. Since I'm with my family members, I'm still happy. Oh, look at her, my dear friends. She's still happy because she's with her parents and other family members now. Even though she discontinued her studies, or even though she needed to discontinue her studies, she is still happy. And here ends our story. But our job has not ended up. We have something more to do. In this sentence, since I'm with my family members, I'm still happy. Also, we have a special word, since, which tells us a reason. She's happy. Why? Since she's with her family members. Since I'm with my family members, I'm still happy. Since is the word that tells us a reason in this sentence. What are these words? So, as, because, hence, therefore, consequently, since, they are called adverbs of reason in English grammar. And one more peculiarity we can see here is that these adverbs will be the answer to the question why. Or in other words, we can say these adverbs answer the question why. Let's check some examples. Let's put forward a question to the first sentence that the grandfather told. Why can't you walk? If we ask this question to the girl's grandfather, what will he be replying? I'm old, so I can't walk. Here you can see the word so is the answer to the question why. While asking or while we use the word why in a question, we are searching for a reason. We are trying to find out a reason. And when we use the word so in the answer, we are trying to give a reason to the question that was asked. I think you understood. Let's check one more example. If we ask this question to the grandfather and the granddaughter, why did you decide to go back soon? They may answer, we decided to go back soon because we felt it might rain. Here also we can see the same pattern. We used the word why in the question in order to get a reason as the answer. And when we used the word because in our answer, we are trying to give a reason for the question why. And this time I am sure that you understood why we call all these words adverbs of reason. Now you can try yourselves for the rest of the sentence by making such kinds of questions where you will get the sentences as the answer. The only thing that you need to be careful is that your question should contain the question word why. Just try, my dear friends. You will succeed, I'm sure. Now, my dear friends, are you happy like me? If so, can you tell me why you're happy? Tell me why you're happy by writing 5 sentences telling why you're happy using any 5 adverb of reason. And send your answers to the comment box of Easy Walk to English Grammar. The winner will be selected and his or her name will be announced in our next video. If there are more than one person who sends correct answer, the first person will be selected. The first person who sends the correct answer will be selected, our winner, and his or her name will be announced through our next video. And if you send the answer, please make it sure that you have given your full name and the place where you reside in the comment section. Please don't forget. Now we need to announce our winner for the video have as auxiliary verb. The winner for the video have as auxiliary verb is Ashwini from Kollam, Kerala. Congratulations, Ashwini. And also, please don't forget to give the video a like if you benefited from it. And please share it with your friends and comment below your valuable suggestions. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. While subscribing, please tap on the small bell icon and select option all. Thank you so much for watching the video. We'll meet soon with another useful video. Until then, take care. Bye for now.